Okay guys, so it's everything is now installed, and for some reason, if you notice here, look this, I don't know why it's happened 2 times now, so I'm just gonna say it because it might happen to you as well. So while I was installing, right, it said this may take a few minutes, right? So I actually waited a long time, give or take 15 to 20 minutes, and it was just blank. It didn't really show anything. So I just did the Control C, and it just said, okay, put your username and password. So I don't know why that happened, but it seems that it installed. So I don't know. Honestly, I don't. But anyways, now we have it. We have the Ubuntu. Now what I want to do is, first of all, I want to uninstall. Or let's test this first. Let's do sudo apt update, and let's see, password. Okay, it works fine. So I would like to uninstall the other one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open another PowerShell as administrator. Oh wait, hold on. Do I have to wait for this? Okay, I'm just going to cancel this because you see it's updated already, so it's working fine. And I'm just going to open Windows PowerShell, run as administrator. Then I'm going to uninstall. I think I saw that somewhere. I want to uninstall where is it? Oh, I've just found it now. I can't find it anymore. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to set that default first, and let's take a look at the list of distros we have. So if I see wxl.exe - list, that's verbose. Let's see. So you see we have two, and if you notice, you see the one that's running, this one, the Ubuntu. So I'm guessing that's the latest one, which is 24. So I don't want that to run. I want this 20. Sorry, the 24 is running. I want this 22 to run. So I want to set as default. So I'm going to wsl.exe as I set default Ubuntu 22.04. all right, so let's try again and see. So you can see it is set. I don't know why does it say this is running? I've set this one, but for some reason it says it's running. Maybe I should try and restart this. Maybe I should try and reboot my system. Yeah, I think that's it. But I want to uninstall the other one before I try to reboot. So where is that? I think I saw this somewhere. To uninstall WSC, uninstall legacy version of. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, so in PowerShell, WSL -- unregistered. Oh, I can even mount this. I'm gonna do this as well. I'm gonna do this. So I wanted, like, let's go back to the Windows PowerShell. This is a long video, and I want to unregister. First of all, let's take a look at the list. So the wsl.exe, right? I remember. list dash verbose. So this one, Ubuntu. So to unregister, so the VSL unregister Ubuntu. Unregister. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's check the list again. So that is unregistered, and now the Ubuntu 2022.04 is running. So I don't think I need to restart. We now have the Ubuntu, and it's time to install the SDK manager. So let's do that. And we already have the SDK manager, right? So I think I can just go from there. It's already installed, and let's see if we can just go from there. Okay, so I checked, and it seems like the particular one in my the SDK manager for the Ubuntu, it seems like it was removed because I unregistered the other Ubuntu 24. So we have to install again. So I think it's better we start from afresh. I think that's way better. So the first thing we did the last time was to go to the Ubuntu. We have our newly installed Ubuntu here, and when we have the Ubuntu open anytime now, okay, then we go to downloads, right? What we did was we went to downloads, right? And so no, sorry. So we went to now so the mount CD. I'm just going through this to remind myself because I can't remember all this. So this is how, if you can't remember the past, you can just go through this one by one. I know it's not efficient, but it helps. Why do I keep pressing this thing 4 times? So C drive, and in the C drive, we are going to users, and in users I go to my name, then I look for downloads. So we in downloads, then we install. So what we did before, sudo apt install SDK, and we install that, put our password, and just wait for it to install. We've installed the SDK manager, and I'm pretty sure, just like before, we'll check here, we'll see our SDK manager in our start menu. Simple as that. So we can click this off now, and we can move on. Yeah, click this off, and we can move on and just go to start menu. See our SDK manager here. We just start up our SDK manager, and I'm pretty sure right now it should work fine. We have to log in again. I'm just gonna log in, same guy I logged in before, my email and password. Okay, so we're logged in now, and as you can see, we have the Ubuntu 22.04 as the host machine. So same as before, I'm just going to remove this because I don't need the compiling thing. Then I'm going to select the target. So the target is a Jetson AGX Orin. Select that as well. You see we have the 6.2.1 just like before. I don't need Jetstream, and GXF runtime, I don't need that as well. So we continue. All right, so next thing is the target components that is already selected, the Jetson runtime component. So the last time I didn't select this, but I think it's better to select it now, so that let's just be installed, so that I don't have to install it if I need it in the future. So I'm just going to select everything now, and just like before, accept the term, continue. Yes, create. The folder doesn't exist, create a folder for me, and continue. Put a password, and yeah, and downloading, and we just wait and see how it goes.